how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Today's video is going to be me playing with the new Spring Magic collection by Unearthly Cosmetics. I'm very excited. I just got mine in the mail today, and I wanted to do my best to get a video up for you as soon as I could. I'll be sharing with you the different aspects of the collection. We're gonna do swatches. We're gonna create this look. It's gonna be a fun time. I do also intend on doing another look over on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, so just stay tuned. I will get to that as soon as I'm able to. But it's gonna be a lot of fun. This collection went up for pre-order a little bit ago. I don't know exactly when it launched. It's been a little while now, like maybe a month or so. And according to the Instagram, the first round of pre-orders have started shipping. So if you were part of that group of people, you'll probably be seeing yours soon. So just stay tuned for that. And the second bundle of pre-orders is supposed to ship by the end of May. I just checked the website. As of right now, everything is still available, the individual aspects of the collection and the full bundle. So you can still get it while you can. And if you want to, you can use my affiliate code BATTYBEAN when you're shopping. And I appreciate it so much if you do. But anyways, I just want to get into it. I want to dive into these products and share them with you. But before I do, let me just give you my accessory details. This choker is from Suki Blade. This necklace is from a boutique in New York. This snaky ring is from Amazon. This is a Neff brand beanie, and this is an old wig from Amazon. And yeah, I think that says it all. Let's just dive in and talk about these products. We have two liquid highlighters. These are so pretty. I think these colors are super cool, super unique. We have the shades Awaken and I'm Sprung. Cute little pinky vibe, cute little greeny vibe. I really like Unearthly's liquid highlighters, actually. I feel like they blend out pretty good. And yeah, that's saying a lot because I feel like I run into trouble with a lot of cream and liquid highlighters, but these ones seem to blend really well. I'm excited to continue using and testing these out because I think these are super cute. We also have a lip gloss, and I love their lip glosses, so I was so excited to see a gloss in this collection. The shade is Pollen, and it's very pretty, just like a sheer, sparkly. We got some green and pink, and it's just so pretty. We have a blush palette. I'm so excited about this. If I'm being honest, this might be my favorite part of the whole collection. The Incandescent blush palette. We have 6 glowy blushes in here. These are so pretty. I love how unique these tones are. I love how we have really deep shades, but we also have really vibrant, brighter shades. It's such a fun and unique mixture. This is one of the coolest blush palettes I own, probably. I just think this color mixture is super fun. I feel like you have a lot of options. You can play with these in a lot of different ways. You could probably even mix these together, like dip your brush into multiple shades to kind of create a custom mixture. I think there's a lot you can do with this, and I'll probably be reaching for this a lot. And then of course we have the actual Spring Magic palette. I love the packaging on this. I think the vibes are so cool, and I want to dive into this one more. I've only used it the one time so far, but I'm inspired by the colors in here. I just love all the springy, florally palettes that are coming out lately. I think it's so fun, and this one is no exception. We have such a fun arrangement of blues, greens, pinks, so many pretty multi-chromes, so many pretty shifty, sparkly, shiny shades, lots of fun mattes. I think this is a cool palette, and I'm just so inspired by these colors. I think they're really pretty. Unearthly has also really been stepping up their formula over the last, I'd say since about like, what was it, like mid to end of last year, like when the Fall Magic Remastered and Sorceress Smoke came out. The shimmers are just on another level, and I am so here for it. I'm so happy this has so many. There's so much you can do with this one. I feel like this one's also really easy to like break into quads. Like you could do like this little quad as a look. You could do like this quad over here as a look. You could even do like something like this, something like this. I feel like this palette makes it really easy to kind of put together unique color combos. And you could also just stick with the columns. Like you could do something blue. You could do something kind of green. You could do something rosy, or do what I did and mix and match it all together. It's a cool one. I'm just pumped to dive in some more. And that's the general gist of the collection. I'll of course have the collection linked down below for you. And again, don't forget you can use my affiliate code BATTYBEAN to save if you would like to. I'm so appreciative the brand sent me this collection. This video is not sponsored. I'm making it on my own free will, but I'm just so grateful to have this in my hands. But anyways, without further ado, let's hop in and I will actually play with the products now, show you how I created this look, and then I'll give you my thoughts so far on the collection at the end of the video. All right, friends, let's dive into this collection. I'm so excited. There are so many fun things to play with. We have liquid highlighters, blushes, palette gloss. I mean, you already know. We already got through the intro part. I'm just excited to actually dive in. So we have the 2 liquid highlighters. I think today I want to use I'm Sprung because I'm kind of feeling like a pinky green vibe for my overall look today. And I think this will be cute. And I kind of want to do the liquid highlight before blush just because I feel like liquid powder, I should probably do the liquid first. And I can always add more if I think I need it. Let me just do a couple little dabs. I'm actually just gonna use my finger also. That's actually really, really pretty. Cool. I feel like the liquid highlighters I've tried from Unearthly in the past were also really good, and I'm very picky about liquid highlighters, as some of you know. Ooh, I really like that soft green shift. That's really, really pretty. I think that's gonna mesh with the blush really nicely. And like I said, I might add some more highlighter. I just wanted to kind of see what this would do first. I've kind of been enjoying doing my liquid highlighter like earlier in my routine because it kind of shines through a little bit. And I'm not usually one for a subtle highlight, but sometimes it has a place, you know? That's really cute. Ooh, yeah, I feel like especially for the nose, that's really pretty. It's actually nighttime right now. I mean, it's not like dark yet, but it's the evening. We are creeping on 8 p.m. I do not usually film at night, but one, I was itching to play with this collection and it came in today, so here we are, but I'm also really trying hard to stay up. It is April 18th. It is the eve of Taylor Swift's Tortured Poets Department album. It launches tonight at midnight, my time. So I really want to stay up till midnight to listen to it. So I'm trying to do things to fill the time. So here we are hanging out together. Let's go in with some blush now. This is just such a pretty palette. Are you kidding me? I want to use this shade. I'm just really attracted to that bright pink. It's so cool. I'm gonna use my Sigma F40 brush. Just gonna grab some of the product and I'm just gonna start lightly dusting it. You're gonna see all of my not glued down wig secrets while I apply this. Ooh, that is pretty. I think that meshes with the highlight really well too. Ooh, this is going so well so far. Oh yeah, that's a really pretty combination. It's really soft, but at the same time kind of impactful. I think I'm gonna be reaching for this blush palette a lot. I just have a feeling these colors are very up my alley and I love glowy blushes, so can't really go wrong. I'm really liking the way it plays with the liquid highlighter. I just think that's really nice. Oh, cute, cute, cute. I do wanna add some kind of across the bridge of my nose. It's funny because I feel like someone's gonna say something about me wearing like a crew neck and a beanie right now in April, but one, I'm inside the comfort of my own home, and two, I feel like it matches the aesthetic, okay? Let me live. I'm actually feeling really good about this blush highlight combination. Really, I feel like I could continue just like layering this blush on for a while because it's just beautiful and I feel like it's building just so nicely. And let's just be a little blush heavy today. Why not? It's not gonna hurt anybody. I also don't think I even really need to add more highlighter because like the layer that I laid down before my blush and then adding the glowy blush around it, I think it's perfect. So I just want to add a couple fake freckles. As I do, Nabla freckle pen. If you know, you know. Use this every time I do my makeup. I don't want to go crazy today though. I just want a couple. I do just want to add just a little bit more of that same blush just to sink everything into the skin nicely. All right, cute, cute, cute. Let's move on to the eyes now. I'm gonna prime with my tried and true Milk Makeup Hydro Grip. As per usual, you know the drill. I'm just gonna blend it out and we're gonna start going crazy. And like I said, I'm feeling something kind of pinky green. I really am attracted to especially the light green shimmers that are in the palette. They're so pretty. So dipping into the Spring Magic palette, I'm gonna be starting with Blossom and I want it to blend out into Flourish. Taking Blossom on my E24 Sigma brush, yes. That is what this is called. And I am just going to kind of just heavily pack this in the outer corner. I just want like a heavy, chunky pink moment in the outer part of my eye. Just think it'll be really moody, really pretty. Especially like even next to my light green wig, like it's just a good combo. I love pink and green. That's really cute. So I'm just again kind of feathering it out here in the outer corner. And then I'm just taking Flourish on my E40 blending brush and just kind of going around the edges just to help soften it a bit before we... Do I even need to deepen it up or am I pretty happy with this? I might deepen it up a smidge. Just a tiny bit. I don't want this look to get too brown by any means, but I do want to deepen up with Clove a little bit. Using my Sigma E42, and I'm just adding a tiny bit of depth right in the outer corner by my lashes. I'm also going to put a little of this against the lashes on the outer corner of my lower lash line. Like really just enough to add that tiny little bit of depth. And then I'm just gonna kind of go through with my previous brushes and just make sure all of that is blending really nicely. I'm already feeling so good about this and I'm so ready to add the shimmers. I think it's gonna be so cool. I think that's looking so pretty. Let's start doing some shimmers now. I'm gonna take my NYX Glitter Primer, of course. I'm gonna take my E55 brush from Sigma, just gonna grab a little dollop, and I'm gonna tippy tap this around all over my lid. I want a very kind of highly brought up, very impactful shimmer situation. I think it's gonna just be the star of the show. Like obviously like we're just in a pinky vibe right now, but it's about to be taken to another level. So I want to start with Lush, just on that same sticky brush. That's so pretty. This is just gonna be kind of my shade that blends my shimmer green into everything I've just laid down. So I'm only putting this in like the outer third of my eye, kind of around that same area where the pink mattes are. I'm just not taking it into the crease. I'm just keeping it to the lid. But I want it to only go as far in as those mattes are. That is looking really, really, really pretty. Like just look how shiny that is. Next, I want to take Dragonfly. This is kind of sorta what like inspired me the most when I looked at the palette getting ready for this. I'm just taking the same brush, just using the clean side. But wow, that is perfect. Oh my goodness. And like I said, I want this to be really impactful. So I'm taking it kind of slightly above my natural crease and just doing kind of a rounded cut creasy motion. Oh my gosh, I hope this looks as sparkly on camera as it is in real life, because that's insane. Now I'm just gonna kind of go back and forth between like both shadows, both sides of that brush, just getting those shimmers to really melt together. Oh, I love, love, love that. Holy cow. I can't. This is so pretty. I just love that bold pop of green in the front. It's so cute. I do want to use Clouds next. I want to use this as my inner corner, but I also want to drag it a little bit on that lower lash line just for some extra pop. Oh, that's so pretty. I feel like this kind of flows with that highlighter shade really well with that like green shift. That's really, really pretty. I am so excited. I'm excited to do another look with this collection over on like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts as soon as I can, because this is so, so fun. I feel like this look managed to be like really impactful, but still like kind of soft, like kind of cutesy, playful. And I love that. I think that's so cool. I guess we can apply the gloss together in the shade Pollen. Let's go with a pinky lip pencil to kind of match the vibe of my pink in my eyes. This is my Freck 02 pencil. It's gonna line a little bit, mostly in the center of my top and bottom lip. I kind of like that. And I like to use my finger to kind of blend it a little. And then kind of lining just the top a little bit. Now let's go in with Pollen. I really like Unearthly's glosses, so I have high hopes. Cute! Ooh, it's like perfect. It's like pink and green. It's like exactly the vibe I went for with this look. Oh, and it smells like cake. That's incredible. It's such a smooth, like slippy gloss. It's not like thick at all. It's so thin. It's so nice. All the pink sparkles in this up close are really pretty. I think that's super cute. I think that goes really well. I mean, it's a sheer gloss, so it's gonna go with most things, but specifically the sparkles that are in it, like obviously it goes with the palette. The collection as a whole goes together. But I'm feeling good about this. I just need to throw on an eye pencil and my lashes, and then we'll be good to go, and I'll give you my thoughts so far. Thank you so much for being here and hanging out and watching. I had a lot of fun today, or tonight I should say, because it is nighttime. It's officially dark out. I've been here for a while, but I had a lot of fun just playing with all these, hanging out with you. It's always a fun time, and these products were just a blast to play with. Just to finish up the look, I did throw in this mint pencil icebreaker from ColourPop. I felt like it went with that shifty shimmer that I popped in my inner corner, and then I just threw on my half lashes from Bright Lashes in the style Flutter. I'm impressed by the liquid highlighter so far. Obviously the shade I used was I'm Sprung, but I think it's really pretty. I feel like it dries down pretty decently, like my skin doesn't feel super emollient and tacky. I'm liking this, and I'm really excited to dive into the pink one. So far so good with these. I've had good experience with their liquid highlighters in the past, and these so far seem to be also really easy to work with. I really like this gloss. I just think it's so pretty. I love a sheer sparkly gloss. It's just my favorite thing in the world. I love this glidey, thin, slippy formula. It's just beautiful. I think it looks so lovely, and this is a gloss I can see myself reaching for. Omen in the Heather Austin collection with Unearthly is one of my all-time favorites, and this one I can see being up there as well. This blush palette is so cool. I am gonna reach for this so much. Like, I'm probably just gonna let it live here on my desk so I can reach for it all the time. I have a lot of blushes I'm currently testing out. Like, I have ones from Freck. I have the new luminous ones from Rare Beauty. I know Blend Bunny's launching blushes too with their upcoming collab, but these are ones that I definitely want to try to prioritize a lot because these colors are just beautiful. I think these are gonna transcend spring, summer, into fall really, really beautifully. This is just such a unique color story, and I think the one that I used today, Familiar, I think it worked really well. Like, it's really, really pretty. I feel like it's really soft, but it can be built up really, really easily. Like, you can layer it really well. So if you want to, you can go in with a really light hand, or you can really build it up and get major impact. But so far, I'm really, really impressed with these blushes. And last but not least, we have the Spring Magic palette. This is just so pretty. These shimmers are gorgeous. Like, look at my lids. Everything is so shiny and so sparkly, and I'm here for it. Obviously, I still have lots to play with this palette, but I'm pretty familiar with Unearthly at this point, and for the most part, I always have a great time with their palettes, and this one so far seems to be no exception. These shimmers are just phenomenal. They're so metallic and sparkly, and these mattes blended super easy, blended like butter. I used these 3 today. So again, obviously I have more mattes to play with. I really wanna dive into those blues. This rich green is calling my name, so probably stay tuned for a bluey green look coming to like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts as soon as possible, but I'm really into it. I'm really into this shimmer and this shimmer. There's so many pretty things. I could go on and on. So far, so good. I don't have any complaints. If I had to be nitpicky about anything, you know me, and the war against beige. I could have lived without the beige shadow, but I know for some people that's a necessary shade, and I get that having those couple neutrals in there can make this palette very appealing to people who are maybe scared of color. You could definitely do like pretty easy neutral looks, playing with just kind of these 3 and the white, and just kind of sprinkle in the color wherever you see fit, whatever suits your fancy. Or you can be like me and just be a colorful maniac almost all the time. But this was a lot of fun. I'm really looking forward to playing with these products some more. I'm so far very impressed. I've been looking forward to this collection ever since they revealed it, and I'm so happy I finally have it in my hands. So thanks again, Unearthly, for sending it my way, and thanks to you guys for watching my video and hanging out. If you made it to the end of this video, you know where it's gonna go. Leave some emojis that give these spring magic vibes. This is so cute. I just love it. I love it so much. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me over on Instagram. I'm BATTYBEAN there as well. And if you want, you can subscribe. I'm posting most days over here. You can also join my channel memberships. The link to sign up will be down below. You'll get fun little perks, including a members only video once a month. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.